In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the superior thoracic vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The superior thoracic vein is located in the shoulder region on each side of the body. If we take a closer look at the veins on the anterior view of the right shoulder, we can see the superior thoracic vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates from the anterior thoracic wall. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs superiorly. This vein ends by draining into the axillary vein. The axillary vein can be seen here, highlighted in yellow. What is the function of this vein? This vein primarily functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the anterior thoracic wall up towards the clavicle bone. From here, the blood drains into the axillary vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the superior thoracic vein.